Hi, I'm Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here at Devoxx today interviewing Gerrit Grunwald, and with my co-host, Jim Weaver. So Gerrit, tell us a little bit what do you do?
So yeah, I'm working for Canoo Engineering in Switzerland as a software developer. I'm mainly interested in doing graphic stuff like these gauges that I show in my talks. And everything visual is something that I'm interested in, running on Java, of course, and JavaFX especially. I also did some Swing development in the past and HTML5 development, but most of the times it's related to custom controls. That's what I'm doing mainly.
So how much JavaFX do you use today?
100%. All the time.
Wow!
Yeah.
Deserves applause.
Yeah, it's really, I do a lot of JavaFX because it's, I came from Swing. And I felt all the pain. It was really painful. So then I was searching for something new. I tried HTML5 with Canvas and JavaScript, and I liked it a lot. But in the end, it doesn't work for me. And then 2 years ago, Oracle came up with JavaFX based on Java. And they convinced me to try it out, and now I'm completely infected. So I try to evangelize everybody, use JavaFX. It's great. So I'm a desktop guy. No server-side development for me.
So you had a little presentation yesterday.
Yeah.
Can you tell a little bit what it was?
Yeah, it was also something that is new from Oracle now, JavaFX on embedded devices, and they showed it at Java 1, and I saw that stuff, and I talked to the guys if I would like to do that, what should I buy? And they told me, yeah, you should buy the Beagle board and some special LCD display, and I bought all that stuff and tried to keep it running, which took some time, but now it's running, and I show it on conferences to show the people what is possible with JavaFX on embedded devices, because most of the people don't get it. Mm-hmm. They say, JavaFX, it's all this fancy, hinky-blinky stuff on the desktop, so why do you need it on a device like this, of this size? But it makes sense if you have these displays. For example, Oracle showed some of these displays here in front of the rooms, where you can, for example, get your calendar or your scheduler, something like that, or you can, the displays from airports or train stations. And for stuff like this, which is running on Windows CE right now with big machines, you can use hardware which is just $35, like the Raspberry Pi, and do something like that, which is really good for the industry, right? And you can use their existing Java developers doing that stuff. Mm-hmm. So that's a big advantage, I think.
I know you have a tight time frame. You're going into a session. I did want to convey my appreciation for the session that you and I created and delivered yesterday. It was actually a 3-hour university session.
It was a lot of fun.
And you presented some of the UI control work that you did. You also presented Lambda expressions, and how we can use Lambda expressions to simplify the events when we get into JavaFX 8, as well as the Beagle board. Now, what's your session today going to be about?
Today I just have a quickie, which means 15 minutes, and I will talk about custom controls in general. So just it's really 15 minutes, and I will tell a story about one custom control that I implemented in Swing, HTML5, and JavaFX, and will show them compared to each other, and just to let the people know that everything's possible.
Now, Gerrit co-leads the JavaFX community with me, and the reason why it works so well is, as you can tell, Gerrit is so enthusiastic about JavaFX, and I feel like one of the reasons why, and Gerrit's expressed this, is that we just like to have fun. As developers, with JavaFX, it's becoming fun again. And so that's one of the things that attracts Gerrit to it, and why he's so...
yesterday Jim said it in the right words. Geeks just want to have fun.
Right.
And that's exactly what it is.
And then we broke out into the Cyndi Lauper song. Yeah. I think we should let Gerrit go to his session.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. So it was fun.
Okay,
thank you for joining us.